All right, we are in Arnold, Maryland today, looking at a sprinkler system that was put in approximately 25 years ago. An existing client of ours moved and acquired this property with an existing lawn sprinkler system, and he asked us to come by and take a look and basically freshen it up. From the backflow to the controller and all the sprinkler heads, everything's pretty wore out. So we're going to walk around today, get some pictures, gather some notes, and see what we have to do, get this system tip-top shape for this fall and then into the spring of 2025, which will be here not long. Let's take a look. Serious incline here we've got to work with equipment. Let's take a look over here and see if we can see where the water came out, exited to home. Let's see here, electrical meter for that.
What you looking for?
Backflow.
Oh, that's right. This has an existing system.
Yes, sir. Kevin actually bought it from a customer of ours that owned it prior to him. But the system's about 25 years old. So he wants to rehab it all. I told him we'd start from the backflow and go from there. Now I was just eyeing it up and see where it was. It might come out underneath this deck here.
Yeah.
I didn't spot it right off. Might be in this hatch right here too. Ah, could be behind this propane tank. I might have walked right past it. Backing in there anywhere?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna say it's probably underneath that deck then. Alrighty. Three, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. We're looking at 12 zones here. Looking at 12 zones here next week, sir. Alrighty, we're gonna head to another job site, but we want to come by today and get some pictures of this. See what we got to design up, rehab up, and get this client automatic underground watering system in place so they'll be ready for the fall growing season and into 2025.
Almost here?
Almost. It's coming. It's a coming. It's a coming. All right, we're headed to another job site. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.